Hello and welcome to myStock Tutorials with Shane. In this video, we will cover logging in and logging out of myStock. When you sign up with Tall Order, the most likely thing that will happen first will be that you will be in communication with one of our friendly customer support agents who will be setting up your Tall Order back office with you. So on your Tall Order back office, you'll be setting up everything from your products to your promotions to your customers and staff and everything else that goes with it. You'll be using the same username and password interchangeably between your Tall Order back office and your myStock. Once everything has been completed on your Tall Order back office and you're ready to sign into myStock, you will go to you'll type in the URL for myStock, which is mystock.tallorder.app. You'll be brought to this home page of myStock, the login page. On the login page, you'll have the version, you'll have a place to input your username and your password. In this case, I have mine automatically saved to my Google account. I will sign in, and I'll be brought to the merchant page. Now, if you are a user that has multiple different merchants that you have access to, they will all show up here. Otherwise, if I'm searching for just one particular one to sign into, it will only show the one. If you have only access to one merchant, you will only see one. You click on it, and it will sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll be brought to your dashboard page. On the left-hand side here, you have a menu that has all the different actions that you can look at. You have reports, you have stock orders, stock production, month end, and your settings. Now bear this in mind, if you are an owner, you will have access to all of this as well as an inventory admin. If you are a manager or a clerk, you might only have certain restricted access to certain things. How do I log out of myStock? You simply go across to the right here where the little blue house is, select profiles, and you sign out. And when you sign out, it will be brought back to the login page of myStock. And that is how you log into myStock.